Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to clone your own voice using Elevenlabs. So to start with, you want to download something like Audacity, which is perfect for being able to record your own voice. You then want to have a script prepared so that you can read for over a minute straight so that we can have enough data for Elevenlabs. So when recording yourself, you want to make sure the audio is the best quality possible. You want to use the best microphone you have. You want to make sure there's no noise in the background. And this can be difficult for some. Obviously, if you don't have your own studio, you can really struggle. So what I'd recommend is using Adobe Enhance if your microphone is not the best. This makes a crazy difference on audio. So this is the perfect thing to use to get perfect data for Elevenlabs. So what you want to do is you want to take the file that you recorded in Audacity and you want to just drag it in here. You just want to wait a few minutes and it should be done and you can download it. After you've downloaded it, you want to head back to Elevenlabs. Click on Voice Lab and add a new voice, and then select Instant Voice Cloning. From here you can type in your name and upload your file here. Now you want to make sure it's no larger than 10 megabytes or it will not work. So if your file's in a WAV and it's too big, you could just switch it to an MP3, and also add a description of your voice. And click this and go ahead and add voice. After you've added that, obviously I haven't just done it, but it will be here under the name you have. You can then click use, change the voice settings to match how you need it, and you can type in whatever you need and it will say it. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please comment down below that it worked and like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.